say la puta? I think the DJ from the middle of town just said la puta. That's funny. That's Robin's favorite neighbor. Think of how good it is for the real estate value. Is his boyfriend Bruce? So Robin doesn't care that there's a prostitute here. She just cares that I am making my point that she can't win, and an apology 8 years coming. I mean, I don't even want it at this point. The damage done to me, however, this woman writes false police reports about me. And people don't seem to get that, people do background checks. And Bikram Shudri said to me in 2007, after she'd written at least a couple, and that didn't end there, how come everybody hates you? So Robin, what should I tell Bikram Shudri and the $12,000 it cost to go to that yoga training, to embark on this new exciting career? Is it 8 years ago? Jesus, 6 years ago. And since I can't hardly walk anymore and I'm a fat fucking load, age I am at, it's pretty much over for me. And my point is, all of these little petty details aren't so petty when you weigh them against the hypocrisy behind